Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something a little different today. We often focus on skincare and beauty, but maintaining your dental health can be just as important, especially when it comes to appliances like dentures, retainers, or aligners. And with so many options out there, it can be tricky to know which one truly works. Today, we're diving into Polident 3-minute antibacterial dental appliance cleanser tablets. Let's see if these tablets can truly deliver on their promise of a deeper, more effective clean for your dental appliances. Polident's 3-minute antibacterial dental appliance cleanser tablets come in a pack of 60, promising a powerful clean for a variety of dental appliances. The formula has been improved to feature more active power bubbles, which Polident claims can clean even the most stubborn, hard-to-reach places. These tablets are designed to kill 99.9% of odor-causing bacteria and keep dental appliances fresher for longer, making them ideal for full dentures, partial dentures, retainers, aligners, and mouthguards. To use, it's simple. Just soak, brush, rinse, and you're ready to go. The cleanser's gentle, yet effective formula is tough on dirt, but easy on your appliances. I've had the chance to test this product with my husband's retainer, as it's specifically designed for dental appliances, not something I personally use. So let's dive into how it actually performs. When I first used the Polident cleanser, I was impressed by how easy the process was. I dropped a tablet into warm water, and within seconds, the bubbles started forming, creating a soft fizz that immediately made the water feel more like a cleaning solution. The retainer soaked in the solution for a few minutes, and then I used the included brush to scrub away any lingering grime or buildup. It felt simple, and the cleanser didn't require any vigorous scrubbing to do the job. The result? The retainer looked cleaner, and the scent was fresher, with a noticeable lack of the usual odor that can build up with daily wear. My husband also mentioned that his retainer felt much smoother after cleaning, with no residue or filmy texture, which was a definite plus. The fact that it kills 99.9% of bacteria gave me peace of mind knowing that it's not just cleaning, but sanitizing as well. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Polident cleanser is very easy to use. The 3-minute cleaning time makes it a quick addition to your routine, and the results were immediate. The formula is gentle on dental appliances, and the freshness lasts. Plus, it's effective on various appliances, whether dentures, retainers, or mouthguards. However, I did notice that the packaging could be a little more user-friendly. It's easy to open, but the tablets are small, so I'd love to see a resealable bag or container that would make storing and dispensing them even easier. In terms of value for money, the price seems fair for what you're getting. With 60 tablets in the pack, it provides a decent amount of use for a couple of months, depending on how frequently the appliances need cleaning. When you factor in the improved formula and the fact that it's antibacterial, it feels like a solid investment for keeping dental appliances fresh, clean, and odor-free. When comparing this to other retainer cleaners, Polident stands out for its ease of use and effectiveness. Some other brands offer similar antibacterial cleaning, but many require longer soaking times or don't seem to get quite the same deep clean in as little time. This makes Polident a great option if you're looking for something fast, efficient, and proven. In terms of build quality, the tablets dissolve completely and don't leave a residue, which is exactly what you want in a product like this. As for longevity, the cleanser does a great job keeping appliances fresh over time, which is important since your dental appliances spend a lot of time in your mouth and need consistent maintenance. While I haven't had any direct interaction with Polident's customer service, the brand has a good reputation for handling inquiries and concerns efficiently. Their presence in the dental care space has been long-standing, so it's safe to assume they take customer support seriously. There are cheaper alternatives in the market, but I would say that Polident's effectiveness and the ease of use justify the price. Many alternatives require longer soak times or don't offer the same level of antibacterial protection. So if you're willing to spend a little extra, this could be the better option. To sum it up, Polident 3-minute antibacterial dental appliance cleanser tablets are an effective, easy-to-use product that lives up to its claims. The quick cleaning time, antibacterial properties, and gentle yet thorough action make it a solid choice for keeping your dental appliances in top shape. If you need a reliable cleanser for your retainers or dentures, this one is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Have any of you tried other retainer cleaners? We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.